Good afternoon, my sweet, sweet, lovely kids. How are you? Say loudly. I am fine. Thank you. Say loudly. I am fine. Thank you. Good, my dear. Okay, so what is your school name? Tell me what is your school name? How you will say? The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. How you will say? The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. Okay, in which class you are? In which class you are? Say, I am in class nursery. I am in class nursery. Okay, now which period is this? This is your English period. Which period is this? English period, and I am your English teacher. Okay, my dear, look here. Today we will learn to write letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Look here. Standing line, sliding line, then up standing line. So which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Okay, so what you will do? Today you will write letter N. Today you will learn to write letter N. So let us start. First, what you have to do? First, we will do one activity. After that, we will start writing in notebook. Okay? Yes or not? So say loudly. I can't able to hear you. I can't able to hear your voice. So say loudly. Yes, ma'am. So ready now? Okay. Look here. Take help of your parents. Tell your mama to take a craft paper and cut in N. Okay, tell your mama to take craft paper and cut letter N. Okay, after cutting letter N, stick this letter N in your notebook. Where? In your notebook. Do you know? N for nest. You have seen the nest now? N for nest. Where egg lay there? Egg. Okay. N for nail. N for nail. What do you do on the nail? You what do you? Nail paint na? Yes. After N for nose. How many nose do you have? One. N for nose. How many nose do you have? One. Okay. N for nose. Okay. N for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uncountable numbers. N for numbers. There are so many numbers. N for numbers. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. Your grandfather read na newspaper at your home. You also read. You also get your newspaper at your home. Okay. And for newspaper. Here. And for newspaper. And for night. And for night. Where all is dark at the night. See na? Sun go at their home. And who came? After sun go at home, then moon come. Yes, at night moon come and stars are there. Yes or no? So N for night. Okay. So there are so many things from letter N. N for nurse who give you injection. Okay. So N for nest. N for nail. And for nose, and for numbers, and for newspaper, and for night. Okay, so tell your mama to take a black craft paper and make N and cut it. Okay, and cut it. Okay. Now what is the N for night na? So we will what do? We will make N with black craft paper. On that we will put star. We will paste star. What we will do? We will paste star. Okay. Cut white paper in a star shape. Cut white paper in a star shape. Okay. Then put Fevicol on them. Okay, and paste on the N. Where you will paste? Paste on the N, because N for night. N for night. Paste on the N. Yes. And you can paste moon also. You can cut yellow paper, circle in moon shape and paste on the N. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to cut N in a black with craft paper and white stars. You have to make white star and paste on the letter N. N for night. N for night. Put here like this. Yes, it look like a night. Very good. Okay, you have to take help of your parents. Don't do alone. You like star? We have rhyme also. Which rhyme? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Clap, 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 all of you. Yes, clap. Hey, look here. It's looking nice. N for night. N for night. Yes. This activity you have to do and paste in your English notebook. Where? English notebook. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we will start writing letter N. We will start writing letter N. How you will write letter N? First raise your hand. Raise your finger. Take out the fingers. 2 fingers. Yes. Now write standing line, standing line down, then standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Standing line, standing line down and standing line up. Which letter is this? N. N for nest, N for night, N for nose, N for nuts. Okay. So look here. Look here. Dots are given. 2 dots on the upper line and 2 dots on the base line. So how you will write? First standing line, then slanting line down, then standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. We have written, we have learned letter N to write. So it is a half part of letter N. Okay, we have to write like this N only, but it is a half part of M. Again, look here all of you. How you will write? 2 dots on upper line and 2 dots on the base line. So look here, standing line, slanting line, and then up. Standing line. Which letter is this? Letter N. What is the name of this letter? Letter N. Letter N. Very good. Okay. Now we will start writing in your notebook. First, what you have to do? You have to trace. First we will trace, and after that we will start writing. Okay. First standing line, and after that standing line, and after that again up standing line. So which letter is this? Letter N. N for nest. N for nose. N for night. N for numbers. N for nurse, nail. Okay. Now, how you will write? Look here. We have 4 lines, but we will write in 3 lines. Upper line, middle line and base line. Okay. So, start writing. First standing line. After the standing line down and standing line up. Okay. Put your mama to put the dots. After that you trace it. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, standing line, slanting line down and standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, standing line down, slanting line down and again standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Letter N. N for nose, and for nest, and for numbers, and for night. Again, and for number 9. Number 9. And for number 9. Okay, again. Standing line down and standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Letter N. N for nose, and for nest, and for numbers, and for night. Again, standing line, slanting line down and standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Letter N. Good. Again we will write. We will trace the letter N. Standing line, slanting line down and standing line up. Okay. So N. N for night, and for number 9, and for numbers, and for nose, and for nails. Now we will write on the dot. You know now how to write on the dot? Now look here. How to write on the dots? Okay. 2 dots were here. Okay. And 2 dots were on the base line. So first you will write standing line, then standing line down, and then standing line up. Okay. Like this you have to make letter N. This letter N. Standing line. First standing line, then standing line down, and then standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Okay, now again we will write on the dots. We will learn to write on the dots. Okay. Tell your mama to put dot on the lines. And you write neatly. Okay. What you will do? You will write neatly. First look here. From up down to down down standing line. From up down to next down down standing line. Down and then up standing line. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. And for nose. And for nose. And for nest, standing line, standing line down and standing line up. And which letter is this? Letter N. and for nose, and for numbers, and for nail. What is this? This is your nail. You put na nail paint. Yes. Again, standing line down and standing line up. Okay. Very good, my dears. Lovely, sweet, sweet kids. You are so good and so nice. Okay. Now again, we will write letter N. Standing line down and standing line up. N. Which letter is this? Letter N. Again, standing line down, standing line, then standing line. Okay. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. And for nose, and for numbers, and for nail, and for nurse, and for nest. Again, right here, standing line down, and standing line up. Which letter is this? Letter N. Which letter is this? Letter N. And for night, and for night. You have to write full page, okay? One full page. Letter N, neatly and properly, okay? In lines. And you have to make this, and you have to do this activity at your home, okay? With the help of your parents. Okay. Now we will do some exercise. Okay, first we will do rhyme. First what we will do? We will do rhyme. Are you ready? Are you ready for rhyme? Okay, so then stand up all of you and say with action. Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses and all the king men could not put Humpty together again. Yay! Clap all of you. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses, all the king men could not put Humpty together again. Clap. Very good. Okay, now I am making some pictures. You have to write first word of that letter. First word of that picture. Okay. Yes. I am making some picture. You have to write first word of that picture. Write the first letter of the picture. Okay. Now, you tell me what is this. Okay. What is this? This is a mango. What is this? This is a mango. So mango. M for mango. So you have to write letter M. Okay, and for mango. So you have to write letter M. Then next, look here. What is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is a nose. So, what you will write here? What you will write here? N. N for nose. Standing line, slanting line down and again standing line up. Next, what is this? The picture is this. This is a apple. So, which letter will come? Letter A. Which letter will come? Letter A. Okay, A for apple, N for nose, M for mango. Okay, colored picture also. So it will look nice. Then look here. What is this? This is a, what is this? What we keep? This is a vase. So V for vase. V for vase. Okay, tell me next which picture is this? Which picture is this? This is a house. This is a house. So house comes from which letter? H. H for house. Okay? Okay? So what you have to do? You have to do all the work which I have taught you today. You have to write letter N in your notebook and you have to do this activity. And for night. Okay? So all this work you have to do in your notebook. Okay? Till then, bye and have a nice day. Look after yourself, my dear.